खुशी में ढल गया एक चराग क्या जला, 100 चराग जल गए। Prananda, good afternoon. Namaste, everyone. Thank you very much. You've been a really good audience, aren't you? You're on time. I'm really impressed. I think you all deserve a big round of applause. Give yourselves a big round. That's good. Thank you very much for coming in. Well, thanks everyone for attending this lovely event. On behalf of The Mentoring, I'm one of the board members. By profession, I'm a doctor. My name is Sunil Palapakar. Well, I'm a child psychiatrist background. Would like to invite each and everyone to this third consecutive event, isn't it? We have done in 2022 in Tikleven, in the RAF premises. The second one was in St. Cyrus, and this is the third one. I'm really grateful. I mean, we are celebrating it in Wales. Obviously, the reason is our CEO, Sujata Thaladi, who is the main regional coordinator for Wales. It's a privilege and honor for me, especially to host this third consecutive time. You need to give me a big round of applause, isn't it? That's right. Thank you. That's good. thanks the trust in me, actually, Sujata Thaladi. And also, I would like to thank my entire TMR team. They have done an immense amount of work putting behind the scenes for this amazing event to be a reality. Right, so we always strive to uphold the values of SHM in spreading awareness, celebrating and educating our communities. Without any other further ado, I would like to invite Ms. Sujata Thaladi. Could you accompany Ms. Anne Morford Meredith, please? And Mr. Ranjit Dodangoda, please, onto the stage. I need a big round of applause, guys. Ms. Sujata Thaladi, who is a postgraduate in organic chemistry. She's the co-founder and CEO of The Mentoring Charity. You can see the board at the back. Volunteered for regional coordinator for Wales for South Asian Heritage Month, and an honorary Air Commodore for 614 Squadron, which she got felicitated for that. I would like you to speak a few words, please. Thank you. Big round of applause for Sujata Thaladi.
Thank you, Sunil. I don't know how much of you know about The Mentoring. The Mentoring is a charity based in Cardiff, but we have extended our services even in England now. It's a mentoring charity that supports individuals from all walks of life, from all backgrounds, in the areas of education, employment, health, and community cohesion. And the fact that I'm a regional coordinator for Wales for the South Asian Heritage Month, that's the reason why we are all here today. Most of you know that a lot of people came to this country due to shortage of skills. Not now, but previously, even now we've got shortage of skills, so people do migrate from different countries. But 50, 60, 70 years ago, loads of people came from different countries, mostly from South Asian countries. And they have, their children and their grandchildren have got stories to tell how they have come to this stage, how they have settled, how they seamlessly settled into this society. There are struggles, there are achievements as well. So the 8 countries which Sunil already mentioned, that is what we're going to talk today. The theme for this year is freedom of free to be me. So all of us want to be ourselves, but the society doesn't allow you, or the parents may not allow you due to societal pressure. So this is where we want to encourage each one of you to be yourself, whatever you want to do. Be brave, whether it is religion, love, life, your gender, anything. Just be proud of what you are and what you want to achieve as well with regards to career. So, as we are celebrating South Asian Heritage Month here, our thoughts are with Bangladesh. And I don't know how many of you know that there's a curfew there and there's a lot of riots and some families lost their loved ones. So our thoughts are with them. Thank you.
For ARPA Viva Cymru, 7th European Harp Symposium, and National Eisteddfod of Wales Clandor Committee member. Please give a warm welcome to Lord Lieutenant of South Glamorgan, Mrs. Meredith. Thank you.
Prynhawn, good afternoon. And first of all, I'd just like to thank you very much for inviting me to join you here today. It's a privilege and an honour to be here in a full hall. So thank you very much. It's wonderful that 6 of the 8 South Asian countries are here to celebrate the South Asian month. And you can celebrate together in the spirit of goodwill, friendship, respect and unity. Some have experienced freedom struggles, challenges and tragedies which should not be forgotten. But we can share our stories and look forward to building a peaceful and harmonious future together. And although we have our distinct cultures and history, which we cherish, we are very much a multicultural and cosmopolitan society here in Wales. We are fortunate to live in a vibrant and richly diverse country. Here in Wales, in the land of song, culture has always been very important to us, and it's part of our daily life, and I'm so pleased that you are maintaining and upholding your traditions. Very important. But I assure you, we value not only your culture, but your invaluable contribution to Welsh society, the economy, business, National Health Service, and all aspects of life, which you referred to earlier on, and we do appreciate it. And, perhaps I should just mention the Olympic Games will be starting this week, and, it reminds us of our connections with one another, wherever we may be based in the world. I would like to thank all associated with the mentoring charity for your exemplary mentoring work, for promoting human rights, diversity, equality within our society, and in particular for your work in addressing the barriers to social inclusion faced by local BAME communities. As the King's representative here in this county, I am delighted to be part of today's, what I'm sure will be uplifting celebrations. I regularly meet with many of you. There are familiar faces here, and some of you may have been at the Senedd last week or the week before and met their Majesties, because they take, as you will no doubt know, a very keen interest in charities such as the mentoring and also communities and occasions such as today. So it's always a joy to learn about the many and varied cultures. And I'm looking forward to savouring your music and watch the dancers perform. I know they're very skilled and always look so beautiful. But today is an opportunity to bring communities together, to engage people through heritage and culture, and to celebrate the spirit of cohesion and cooperation. It's so important in our troubled world. You should be immensely proud of your heritage, and I wish you every success. Diolch yn fawr a llongyfarchiadau a mwynhewch y prynhawn. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yeah. I'd like to next invite Ranjit Dodangora. He is retired videographer who has been in Cardiff for 43 years and has been involved with organizing many Sri Lankan and Asian events. With a big round of applause, could we warmly welcome him now?
Ayubowan, Subhasandeava, Namaste, Pranamda, and good afternoon. As you all, most of the people know about Sri Lanka, it's a very small island at the bottom of the India, and there are so many things that is common with Sri Lanka and Wales. Like Wales, we are also very musical, and it's a small country, and of course, both countries have plenty of rain. That is, and actually, I came here about 43 years ago, and we had a Sri Lankan association with only about 25 families in that time in Wales, and we have so many different events. And in 1976, we, with all the other 8 Asian countries, we celebrated the 50th anniversary of the independence in the region in a very big scale in the CIA, now that is called Motor Point, with all the dignitaries and a lot of established performers and a whole day's work. After that, we have so many other cultural things with the CADMAT, and we have a Sri Lankan cricket team from 1988, and it's still going on. And I used to play for about 25 years, and at the moment, we have 3 teams in Sri Lanka, Cardiff. They are doing very well. Sri Lankans are in so many different areas in Cardiff, serving in national health, business people, the engineers, accountants, you name it, we have all that. So up today we are having 3 performances depicting the Sri Lankans. Actually, we have Sinhala and Tamil, about 73% Sinhala, about 12% Tamil, then Muslim about 10%, and so many other different. They are all living in harmony in Sri Lanka. And 2 years ago, we had a very bad economic crisis. Now we have got over it. And so hopefully the tourists are coming back, and we invite people to come there because it's a beautiful country, and it's plenty of things to do, the cultural things. Our history go back 300 years before Christ, and it's a written history of 2000 years, the Mahavansa, and we have 8 heritage sites in Sri Lanka, so plenty to offer. So today I'm very glad to the mentoring for inviting us to perform here, our culture, and thank you Sajata and the team, and hope you will enjoy the evening.
Thank you, Mr. Dodangora. I know 96 World Cup, most of the Indian mates will remember it, isn't it? How horribly we had, isn't it, the experience. That's how I always envied Sri Lanka, but I know. But thank you very much for sharing the serenity about the Sri Lanka, and definitely. So can I book a couple of tickets then to Sri Lanka? So funding by you? Right. Mr. Dodangora is sponsoring for us to go to Sri Lanka. Okay, big round of applause, please. Yes. Thank you very much. Right. Could I request you to go downstairs, please? Thank you. We'll call you in a minute. Big round of applause for all our guests, please. Thank you, guys. Right, guys. So you already seen the girls are already on the stage, right? It's get the main event today. It's the girls from Tamil Sangam performing Bharatanatyam. So most of you may not be aware about it. It's one of the forms of a classical dances originated in South India. The little ones joining us on the stage are showcasing the Indian classical dance form with a Welsh tune called Money in Both the Pockets. Second item, is it? Okay, fair enough. And I'll introduce all the girls and then shall I pass it on to you as well? Is that-
Okay, dancing here today we have Tara, we have Adil, we have Pavitra, I always call her Pavi, and we have Falak, we have Kyle, and we have Neha. They'll do two items for you. One begins with classical dance steps and ends with a shaloka to Lord Shiva, Lord Nataraja, the Lord of Dance. The second item is a fusion piece, classical dance steps to a Welsh folk tune that was performed by a young youth band called Avanc. The title of the item is Money in Both Pockets and was a commission derived from Tredegar House Folk Festival in Newport, and they got the commission from TCER, a Welsh association for young folk musicians. So please enjoy their wonderful dancing.
भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आहार्यं चन्द्रतारादि तं नुम सात्विकं शिवं सात्विकं शिवं सात्विकं शिवम्
now, basically, which is a fabulous feminist. I'm going to pass it on to Sashika.
Thank you, Doctor. Actually, I would like to introduce this item as a traditional fusion dance. This is a vibrant and dynamic art form that blends the rich cultural heritage of Sri Lankan classical dance traditions with the contemporary elements. And it's rooted in Asian rituals and religious ceremonies, like traditional Sri Lankan dance like Kandiyan, Low Country, Sabaragamuwa are characterized by their footwork, expressive hand gestures, and the elaborate costume. But today, apart from those three traditional elements, we add our very first lady's movement. Her name is Kueni. She is the wife of our very first king, King Vijaya. Actually, we are coming from his pedigree, and we add her emotional gesture and her emotional feeling to this dance. Today I have my beautiful ladies who performing Fabulous Femmes Dancing Studio. We have Neoma, Deniti, Danaji, Tamara, Hashini, Imasha and Shama. I hope you guys enjoy our dance. Thank you.
That was amazing, isn't it? Shall we ask them to do once more? No, they have done an amazing job. Really beautiful. They deserve a big round of applause, guys. Amazing coordination and really cool. Big round of applause for Vichikala Manan and her husband, please.
Next time introducing Vichikala Malamanan to a performance art called Nathakutu. Nathakutu translates to folk step in English and incorporates singing and dancing throughout the performance. Nathu is derived from the Nadu, it means country in English, where the performance comes from. And Kutu comes from the word Kudi, it means heel of the feet, which is pumped on the stage to start the performance. It is traditionally performance on a circular stage, which allowed the audience to sit right around the performance and the performance to be interactive with the audience. There are two main types of Kutu, Vadamodi and Tenmodi. Vadamodi's rhymes are faster, the costumes elaborate, and the themes usually tragic. Tenmodi's rhymes are slower, simple costume, and the pleasant ending. Nathakutu began as a hobby in villages in Tamil region of Sri Lanka. Once the harvest was complete in villages are based performance on popular myths to entertain the villagers and inspire creativity. Even to the day, Nathakutu performed in some villages and Hindu temples in Sri Lanka, started from the night to sunrise to the next day. Nathakutu is represented as part of the Tamil heritage in Sri Lanka. Enjoy the performance by Vichikala Malaman. Thank you.
very much, Vijay Kalamanan. That was a very good performance. Right, could I request our next singer?
Hello, my name is Lakita Manatunga. I'm representing in Sri Lanka. So this is the song in traditional song, and it's based in Ragadari music. It's sang by Edward Jayagodi. It's a great singer in Sri Lanka. So hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. Marambali Kolavi Pamue Mandhase Manalolave Unmadavi Mahada Samada Punyavanti Marambali. Ite brunga sena kipiron matin soyanne nura pentige malmugin te brunga sena kipi Ite bunga sena kipiron matin soyanne nura pen tige malmuvin sanasalanu epipasa marambari kolavi pamue mandhase Manalolavi Unmadavi Mahada Samada Punyavanti Marambali. Pravaran kelum di salanetrayan nivapang lade citta pida nohin panisari panisaga nisaga panisani pagasani paniri dasada Panini sa sari re ga re pa ma ga ri sa ni ma ga sa ni Prabharan kelum di salanetrayan nivapang lade citta pida nohin Rashmi deva chandrayase Marambali Kolavi Pamue मंदहासे मनलोलवे उन्मादवी महदा सैमदा पुण्यवंती मारंबरी।
Thank you very much, Manatunga. I really appreciate that.
Represented by Afghanistan and India, Dr. Tanya Ghaffari and Dr. Sunil Pulapaka. You know that Dr. Sunil Pulapaka is a child psychiatrist, and that's what he does when he's not anchoring for us or being a trustee on our board. Dr. Tanya Ghaffari is a forensic psychiatrist and a women's rights activist. She's also the Mentoring's community advisor to the Afghani community. Now together, they will be singing Jane Kaha Gaye Wo Din. Did I pronounce that right? Yay! I've been practicing that, okay? So that's from the film Mere Naam Joker. So
Thank you.
guys, take it away.
Thank you very much. Thanks for that introduction. जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन कहते थे तेरी राह में नजरों को हम बिछाएंगे जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन कहते थे तेरी राह में नजरों को हम बिछाएंगे चाहे कहीं भी तुम रहो चाहेंगे तुमको उम्र भर तुमको न भूल पाएंगे नजर में आजकल दिन भी अंधेरी रात है अपनी नजर में आजकल दिन भी अंधेरी रात है साया ही अपने साथ था साया ही अपने साथ
जाने का
रहते से तेरी राह में नजरों को हम बचाएंगे।
चाहे कहीं भी तुम रहो,
चाहेंगे तुमको उम्र भर, तुमको न भूल पाएंगे,
तुमको न भूल
पाएंगे,
तुमको न भूल पाएंगे।
Thank you very much. Thank you, Tanya. This is the first time we both joined up. Yeah, we practiced, I think, 3 or 4 times. Bless her. Thank you very much, Ibo. Bear with me. Big round of applause for me, guys. Second aspect, I would like to invite Muhammad Rafiqul Islam. He is the Joint Secretary for Bangladesh Association, Cardiff, and is also Secretary for Auro Disha. Would like to share some views about Bangladesh, obviously, and also I would like him to introduce our next participant, please. Would you mind coming up to the dais, please? Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sunil Pulapaka, and also a big thanks to our chairperson here, Sujata Talati. And I'd like to give a big thanks another person who always communicated with us, Maxine. Thank you very much. Behind the screen, she did lots of work. And last of all, I'd like to give a thanks to Amran, who is in sound system today. Thank you very much. Sunil told me to tell about something about recent thing, but recent what's going on in Bangladesh is very sad, but I don't want you to make sad. That's why I just want to tell something about Bangladesh, which I feel proud of. As a Bangladeshi, I'm very proud. Bangladesh is a very tiny little country. It is like half of the land of this country, but population is twice than this country. So density of people is too much. That's why most of our Bangladeshi people, they live abroad, like me. So I came long time ago I did honors, masters and PGC. I am a qualified secondary school teacher. So most importantly, when I talk about Bangladesh, I have to tell about Sundarban, which actually, this is a forest, and we share our biggest, nearest country, which is India, 24 times bigger than Bangladesh, but we shared this forest together. But unfortunately, in that forest, in 2004, there was more than 440, I think, there were tiger. You know Royal Bengal tiger, everyone knows that. We are afraid of that, but this is our national animal in Bangladesh. So, but right now, it is gone down the number, and unfortunately, it is only 114 left, which is, they recorded in 2018. So maybe it is now 100, I don't know. So we have to look after this tiger, and also I have to be very quick. We have a very longest seaside in Cox's Bazar. You are more than welcome to come and visit, because this is it is around 70 miles, 100 and something kilometer, and it is longest sea beach in the world, unbroken. I mean, constantly it's sea beach. You can enjoy over there. And also, while I'm talking about sea, one of the person I have to tell, his name was Brojen Das, and he is from Bangladesh as well, and he is the first person in Asia who completed crossing the English Channel by only a short period of time, which is 23 to 24 hours swim. And there were 23 competitors in that time, and also he did a record that he's the only person who crossed this English Channel 6 times in his life. So I would like to tell another person, Dr. Muhammad Yunus. You know everyone in this world, everyone know, I believe that, because he achieved his Nobel Prize in 2006 for his Grameen Bank. And I have lots of things to tell about him, but I have limited time. I have to go to the cricket, because someone talked about cricket. Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh cricket, listen, Bangladesh cricket. One of the players, Saqib Al Hasan, he was around 3 years, he was the best all-rounder in the world. And I still remember in 2008, New Zealand came to Bangladesh to play cricket, and he got 7 wickets. He gave only 36 runs in the test match. So I'm proud for them, and I have so many things to tell you. But importantly, youngsters, they are involving with science, technology, education, and so much going on in Bangladesh. Everyone is fighting for their rights. Everyone, though it is a democratic country, but nowadays it is sometimes an autocracy coming on in our country. So we don't want that. And in 1952, we saved our language, which is Bangla language. And Bangla, also Indian people, some of the side parts of India, they speak Bangla. They are our nation, which is Calcutta. So we sacrificed our life to save that language in 1952, and 1971 we got our independence. I had so much to tell, but I don't have time. Thank you very much for listening to me, but keep Bangladesh in your prayers, please. Thank you very much. Dee is coming to sing, and I don't have time, that's why I had so many things to tell about her. But she is our founder of Orab Disha. I'm the secretary. She is founder, and our Sujata Dee is our president as well. Orab Disha is a very cultural, well-known organization, and also our Bonani Sinha Rai. We are very much proud because she achieved so many awards in India and UK. I don't have time to tell about all these awards, but we'll listen her song now. I would like to invite Bonani Dee to come to the stage. Bonani Sinha Rai, please come to the stage. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Rakesh.
I'm going to sing. It's a river song because in Bangladesh lots of rivers, and the boatman, when they row the boat, they with the waves of the river sound and the boat's rowing sound, they made a tune. It's called Bhatiali. ও আমার দরদি আগে জানলে তোর ভাঙা নৌকায় চড়তাম না। ও আমার দরদি আগে জানলে তোর ভাঙা নৌকায় চড়তাম না। এই ভাঙা নৌকায় চড়তাম না রে, দূরের বাড়ি ধরতাম না। ওই না বলগ বাণী চির ভেষজ এই নাই বোঝাই করতাম না। আগে জানলে তোর ভাঙা নৌকায় চড়তাম না। ও আমার দরদি আগে জানলে তোর ভাঙা নৌকায় চড়তাম না। ছিল সোনাদার পবনের বৈঠা, ময়ূর পঙ্খী নখানা, ওরে চন্দ্র সূরজ গুলোয় ভরি, ফুল ছড়া তো জোছনা। চন্দ্র সূরজ গুলোয় ভরি, ফুল ছড়া তো দুজনায়। আগে জানলে তোর ভাঙা নৌকায় চড়তাম না। ও আমার দরদি আগে জানলে তোর ভাঙা নৌকায় চড়তাম না। শন শন দরিয়াতে উঠে ঢেউ, এই তুফানেতে কেউ গান পাড়ি দিও না। ওরে বেশমে তৈরার পানি দেখা, ভয়েতে প্রাণ বাঁচে না। বেশমে তৈরার পানি দেখা, ভয়েতে প্রাণ বাঁচে না। আগে জানলে তোর ভাঙা নৌকায় চড়তাম না। ও আমার দরদি আগে জানলে তোর ভাঙা নৌকায় চড়তাম না। কল কল ছল ছল করে চলো টলমল, আগে চলো নাই বলো তবু চলো। বলো ওরে মাঝি তুই কেন হলি আজ বিমনা সামনে নাচে বিজলি নই কন্যা সোনার বরুণা সামনে নাচে বিজলি নই কন্যা সোনার বরুণা আগে জানলে তোর ভাঙা নৌকায় চলতাম না ও আমার দরদি আগে জানলে তোর ভাঙা নৌকায় চড়তাম না এই ভাঙা নৌকায় চড়তাম না রে দূরের বাড়ি ধরতাম না আর যাবো জাগবানি জড়ে বেশত এই নাই বলে করতাম না আগে জানলে তোর ভাঙা নৌকায় চড়তাম না ও আমার দরদি আগে জানলে তোর ভাঙা নৌকায় চড়তাম না তোর ভাঙা নৌকায় চড়তাম না আগে জানলে তোর ভাঙা নৌকায় চড়তাম না থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ থ্যাংক ইউ
Right, that was amazing. Thank you very much, Banani. Yamuna Gudam, representing Nepal. And she is one of our TMR colleagues. She has kindly agreed. I believe she has been singing quite a lot, I think, isn't it, Yamuna? Or is this the first attempt? So please give her a big round of applause and invite her to the stage, please. Thank you very much.
My name is Yamuna Guru and I'm representing Nepal. I'm singing a Nepalese song, which is an old song. It's Yo Manta Mero Nepali Ho, which means wherever life takes me, my heart will be always Nepalese because we have to go abroad for work or so it's kind of a sentimental song. Okay, I'll start then.
यो मन त मेरो नेपाली हो जसको घर जे भन जतासुकै लैजाऊ मलाई यो मन त मेरो नेपाली हो मलाई गर्व छ हाम्रो गोर्खाले जसो गर जे भन जतासुकै लैजाऊ मलाई यो मन त मेरो नेपाली हो सुनको लडाइँको मैदानबाट भागिदिन्छ न त सुनको तराजुमा बिग्रिन्छ आफ्नै कर्ममा अडल रहने आफ्नै पसिनामा विश्वास राख्ने यो मन त मेरो नेपाली हो That's all I'm singing. God is so thank you.
Thank you very much. Do you guys think this is her first attempt? She's been singing, I think, isn't it? Well done, Yamuna. You need to keep doing that more often. Right, so next I would like to invite, well, I met this gentleman on this platform. He is Amran Zaman. Apart from his day job, has a passion for golf, apparently, and he sings old Bollywood songs. Yes, I heard him sing, and perhaps he'll perform one later on this afternoon. But now he's representing singing Pakistani song Akele Na Jana, 1966 Pakistani film Arman. Original singer Ahmad Rashdi. Lyrics by Masroor Anwar. Music by Sohail Rana. Give him a big round of applause, please. That's Amran Zaman for me.
दिया हौसला जिसने जीने का हमको, वो एक खूबसूरत सा एहसास हो तुम, जो मिटता नहीं दिल से, तुम वो यकीन हो, हमेशा जो रहती है वो आस हो तुम। ये सोचा है हमने कि अब जिंदगी भर तुम्हारी मोहब्बत को सजदा करेंगे, अकेले न जाना हमें छोड़ कर यूं, तुम्हारे बिना हम भला क्या जिएंगे, अकेले न जाना। फसाना जो उल्फत का छेड़ा है तुमने, अधूरा न रह जाए ये सोच लेना, बिछड़ के ज़माने से पाया है तुमको, कहीं साथ तुम भी ना अब छोड़ देना, यही है तमन्ना, यही इल्तिजा है, और इसके सिवा हम भला क्या कहेंगे, अकेले न जाना हमें छोड़ कर यूं, तुम्हारे बिना हम भला क्या जिएंगे, अकेले न जाना। Thank you.
Thank you. Kya baat hai, Amran. Amazing. I always admire him singing. He has that kind of voice. Anyway, you'll see the Bollywood song as well later on anyway. Right. Our next singer, Sai Krishnan.
It's a movie. It's a song from a movie called Duet. It came somewhere in 1994, I believe. Directed by K. Balachandra, and it was sung by S.P. Balasubramanian. Yes, the late S.P. Balasubramanian, and the music was composed by A.R. Rahman. Yes. Okay. தங்கமே தமிழுக்கில்லை தட்டுப்பாடு, ஒரு சரக்கு இருக்குது முறுக்கு இருக்குது மெட்டு போடு. எத்தனை சபைகள் கண்டோம், எத்தனை எத்தனை பகையும் கண்டோம், அத்தனையும் சூடம் காட்டி சுட்டு போடு, மெட்டு போடு, மெட்டு போடு. என் தாய் கொடுத்த தமிழுக்கில்லை தட்டுப்பாடு, மெட்டு போடு, மெட்டு போடு. கடலை கொண்டு கற்பனைக்கில்லை கட்டுப்பாடு, தங்கமே தமிழுக்கில்லை தட்டுப்பாடு, ஒரு சரக்கு இருக்குது முறுக்கு இருக்குது மெட்டு போடு. எத்தனை சபைகள் கண்டோம், எத்தனை எத்தனை பகையும் கண்டோம், அத்தனையும் சூடம் காட்டி சுட்டு போடு, மெட்டு போடு, மெட்டு போடு. என் தாய் கொடுத்த தமிழுக்கில்லை தட்டுப்பாடு, மெட்டு போடு, மெட்டு போடு. அடக்கடலு கொண்டு கற்பனைக்கில்லை கட்டுப்பாடு. இது மக்கள் பாட்டு தன்மான பாட்டு இது போராடும் உங்கள் வாழ்க்கை பாட்டு இனி கண்ணீர் வேண்டாம் ஒரு கவிதை செய்க எங்கள் கானங்கள் கேட்டு காதல் செய்க நம் மண்ணுக்கும் விண்ணுக்கும் பாலம் செய்க நலம் பெற வேண்டும் என்றால் நன்மை செய்க நம் பூமி மேலே புது பார்வை கொள்க நம் இயற்கை மேல் இன்னும் இச்சை கொள்க கொஞ்சம் நீலாவுக்கு நேரம் வைத்து தூக்கம் கொள்க பாறைக்குள் வேரை போலே வெற்றி கொள்க மெட்டு போடு என் தாய் கொடுத்த தமிழுக்கில்லை தட்டுப்பாடு மெட்டு போடு அடக்கடலுக்கொண்டு கற்பனைக்கில்லை கட்டுப்பாடு தங்கமே தமிழுக்கில்லை தட்டுப்பாடு ஒரு சரக்கு இருக்குது முறுக்கு இருக்குது மெட்டு போடு எத்தனை சவைகள் கண்டோம் எத்தனை பகையும் கண்டோம் அத்தனையும் சூடம் காட்டி சுட்டு போடு மெட்டு போடு என் தாய் கொடுத்த தமிழுக்கில்லை தட்டுப்பாடு மெட்டு போடு கடலுக்குண்டு கற்பனைக்கில்லை கட்டுப்பாடு. Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you, Sai. I know I can always trust you for entertaining us. Thank you. Right, so we'll bring back our beloved Amran Uzaman, who's singing a Bollywood number, but it's a very...
मेरी बाहें जाओ मेरे सिवा तुम कहाँ जाओगे वादिया मेरा दामन रास्ते मेरी बाहें जाओ मेरे सिवा तुम कहाँ जाओगे वादिया मेरा दामन. जब चुराओगे तन तुम किसी बात से जब चुराओगे तन तुम किसी बात से शाख गुल छेड़ देगी मेरे हाथ से अपनी जुल्फ को और उलझाओगे वादिया मेरा दामन रास्ते मेरी बाहें जाओ मेरे सिवा तुम कहाँ जाओगे वादिया मेरा दामन. जब से मिलने लगी तुमसे राहें मेरी जब से मिलने लगी तुमसे राहें मेरी चांद सूरज बनी
very much, Amran. That's really helpful. This event is more special for me. The reason is we have few South Asian nationals participating today. So all this while we've been mentioning about all the... How many South Asian nations are there, guys?
8.
Brilliant. We need, he deserves a chocolate, okay? Definitely, Maxine. He's perfect. So we have 8 South Asian nations. And it's in fact, we managed to secure 6 nations at the moment. Really pleased to do that. So we are unfortunately missing Bhutan and Maldives. For our next event, we would really appreciate if you can inform Bhutanese or Maldivians, anybody you are familiar with or friends with, please do let them know. So it'll be really massive so that we all 8 nations will be celebrating next year. I'm looking forward for that. I want to share thanks to our main sponsors, the Welsh Government and the Royal British Legion, who has been main sponsors, and our collaborators, Diverse Cymru, United Sri Lankans in Wales, IWOW, which stands for Indian Women's Association of Wales, MWA, Ethnic Minority Welsh Women's Achievement Association, Navami, Network for World Awareness for Multicultural Integration, and Gomes Kitchen, who's likely to have a stall in a bit later. Yes, it stands for South Asian Heritage Month. And any idea how long it's been formed for now? Close. It's 5 years. And usually we always celebrate this in a calendar month from the 18th July to the 17th of August. This is what. And we are fortunate that we are doing it in 21st of July with big crowd like this. And their main motto is it's to commemorate, mark and celebrate our South Asian cultures, histories and communities. I can see a lot of you came in our own South Asian dress up and stuff. Right, so the South Asian culture has made a significant impact on Britain in various aspects, such as food, clothing, music, words, and the overall ambience of our towns and cities. Right, it's crucial that we share the stories, and this occasion offers an opportunity to showcase big South Asian communities in the 21st century and tales.
You didn't go to Glasgow the other day.
Guys, you all are allocated your teams? Yes, very much. Right, Team Nepal. Team Bangladesh. We have Team Maldives. And we have Team Pakistan there. And we have Team Afghanistan. Right? Right, guys. Okay. I think I'll leave it for Maxine to guide you with what exactly the quiz goes. Is that okay, Maxine?
Yeah, absolutely.
What are the rules?
Okay, so essentially it's just a trivial.
Okay? If you know the answer, you need to lift the placard, okay? Right? So that is how we know that you want to answer. Don't answer, you will lose a point if the other team picks it up. Is that clear to you guys? Are you with me? Perfect. Only Indian contingent says yes. Bangladesh, where are you? Right, okay. Right. Team Pakistan, could you take your seats, please? We need you to sit down. Right, Maxine.
Right, are we ready? Are we ready?
Right, okay. Right, the first question.
Which South Asian country's flag is the only national flag in the world that is not rectangular? Okay. Team Sri Lanka was up there.
Yeah, I've seen the first Team Sri Lanka. Remember. Second was Nepal who raised it. Could you?
Well done.
Nepal. Team Nepal gets the point there. Fantastic. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm watching who's raising it first. All right. Okay. I'm not. Yeah, I think I've seen them first. Actually. Right. Okay. Fair enough. Right. Okay. Right. The second question, please.
What is the primary religion practiced in Bhutan?
Yeah, India. Team India first. Sorry? Buddhism.
Correct.
Perfect. Okay. Right. Okay. Next one, Maxine. Come on.
Question 3. What is the name of the traditional form of poetry in Pakistan, which involves singing and is a central part of the culture?
Right. Team Pakistan raised it first. No? You don't give it? Right. Afghanistan raised it second. Do you know the answer? No. 1 second. Team Sri Lanka raise it. Gazelle, is it? Gazelle. Okay, right. Good job. Okay, right. The next fourth question.
Cox's was at sea beach.
Perfect. Okay. Right. As it stands, Team India has a point, Nepal has a point, Sri Lanka has a point, and Bangladesh has a point so far. Okay. I think the Team India raised first place.
Correct.
Tourism. Okay. So Team India 2 points. Right. The next one, please.
What is the name of the famous Afghan poet and Sufi mystic whose works are widely read and revered in the Persian-speaking world? Team Nepal.
Okay, I've seen Afghanistan actually. Or Nepal, is it? Okay, sorry. Yeah, Team Nepal.
Correct.
Numi. Pavitra Paneer Selvam, please. And last but not the least, Tara Nair, please. And please ensure I'm in the pictures as well. Even today, I would like to invite our councillor Julie Sangani to have few words, please. Big round of applause for her, please. I don't have enough introduction about her. I know once she gets the mic, she'll speak anyway. I'll pass it on.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Pranamda, namaste. What a fantastic evening today. I can see community from the various culture are celebrating together. And today, myself has learned so much from the quiz. So I'm sure people who are here have definitely so much things to bring from here today. Thank you, Sujata Di. You've been amazing, working tirelessly for making sure the community from whose voice is not being heard has been represented today, and they get, for the younger generation, they get more stage. So it's amazing. Thank you so much for giving me a stage to share my journey. So just a little bit about myself. So my name is Esther Fasaid Julie Sangani. So I'm currently an elected person as an Cardiff councillor and a cabinet member for public health, equality and diversity. I am here, your voice. We want more people in public appointment. We want more contribution in the school government. So please come up, share your skill. I'm sure many people are here. You are having excellent skill. Come on the board. I'm more than happy to help you. Thank you.
That was short, but sweet, wasn't it? Thank you very much, Julie Sangani. Really appreciate that. Right, I would like to invite our CEO, our main chief person who has managed to put this event together, to give her vote of thanks. Ms. Sujata Talani, please. If you want to go on up.
I would like to thank first all of you who have attended today. Before I continue, I would like to bring all the artists onto the stage. I would like to take a group photograph. If you're all here, if you can, please come onto the stage and we will take a group photograph. As you're getting ready, I keep talking, so that way it will be good to have you all. Singers, dancers, everybody onto the stage, please. I would like to thank our staff, Maxine and Yamuna first. I don't think I could have done without and Shona here, my colleagues, Maxine, come on, Yamuna, and our trustees, Sunil Pulapaka. I would like to thank Tanya I don't know where you are, all the participants, you really have practiced so well for so many weeks, and then you are here today to perform, but we would like more numbers next year. And I would like to thank the funders, Welsh Government, as well as, is Beth here, Beth Evans, from Royal Legend, is she there? And all of you here, Rafiq from Bangladesh, I would like you to come up on the stage. They've been so helpful with the speakers, audio and everything. I don't think I can forget to mention Rafiq has been here with us, and Manami is here. I'd like to thank all the collaborators like Meena Upadhyay, your organization, and IWA, Indian Women's Association of Wales, and Aurav Vishar, and all the other organizations, Diverse Country, and everybody. Did I miss out? Sri Lanka, United Sri Lankans, Ranjit, thank you very much for coordinating. And Shivani, is Shivani there from Sri Lanka? Yes. Thank you so much for coordinating all the artists and bring them here. Come on to the stage, we would like to have you on. And
Shashika,
and Abhi,
the guy, the lady who introduced.
And Abhi from Tamil Sangam. Is Abhi here? Please come on to the stage. We would like to thank. It takes a lot of energy to coordinate with youngsters and coordinate it and ask them to come during a holiday and on a Sunday from 2 o'clock. And I would like to thank the Chief Guest, Lord Lieutenant, for coming here on a weekend. Thank you very much for being so kind. And I would like to thank ITV Wales here, and all of you have really cooperated with them so that they could promote South Asian heritage, and all of you artists here. And thank you, Julie, for coming here and representing our community.